Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. TikTok is a social media platform where you can post videos and earn through TikTok. So if you want to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed, this video is just for you. Just follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So basically there are two things that you can do. First is if you have uploaded a video on TikTok but it's not showing up on the For You feed, make sure there is no copyrighted material in your video. If there is, you'll need to delete it and upload something original. But if your video is original but still it is not eligible for the For You feed, you'll need to follow this simple process. So first of all, open the TikTok application. Now tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now here you can see your profile. Now you'll have to tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner. Here you can see three options: TikTok Studio, My QR Code and Settings and Privacy. You will have to tap on Settings and Privacy option. Here you can see Settings and Privacy is opened. Scroll down. Then in Support and About section you'll see three options: Report a Problem, Support and Terms and Policies. All you have to do is tap on Report a Problem option. Here you can see several options like account and profile, interaction, feed and playback, live, etc. If you scroll down, you can see several options. You have to tap on account and profile option. And here you can see several other options. You'll have to tap on profile page option, that's at the last. Now you can see several problems that you can tap on. But since your problem is something different, you'll have to tap on the other option that you can see at the last. Now here you'll be led to this page, scroll down, and at the last you can see Need More Help option. All you have to do is tap on that. Now here you can see a help desk is opened. All you have to do is enter your problem over here. Tap on the Send a Message button and then you'll have to type your problem over here. You'll also have to mention that your content is original but is not being eligible for the For You feed in TikTok. You can see here I've typed my problem over here. Now all you have to do is tap on the send option that is right next to the message box. Now TikTok will supervise your problem and try to fix your problem. That is how you fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.